In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can redeem your Delta gift card. So for those people who do not know Delta is an American airline company, and basically you guys can book a plane ticket using Delta, alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. First step, you want to come to delta.com, which is the official website of Delta. Once you're over here, you want to choose your flight. So I want to go from Kolkata to Austin, Texas. So I'm going to enter it over there and click on this arrow over here. And after doing that, basically it's going to take me to the next step. And on this step, I want to go a bit down and click on Use Certificate, e-credit or Delta gift card. Once I click on it, it's going to take me to another page. Now once you're over here, you want to scroll a bit down and click on Versus Delta gift card. And you want to enter your gift card number and your PIN or redemption code over here. After you do that, you want to click on lookup, and after you click on lookup, basically your gift card is going to be displayed over here and it's done. So hope you guys were able to understand on how you guys can use your Delta gift card. If you guys understand the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.